Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Vera Clinic. Big thanks for my crew. We wait for new hair and confidence to take off. Okay guys, I just finished the consultation and the doctor told me about my hairline and the necessity I have to use my beard as well because I already had my surgery before. All the way everybody treated me, they explained everything good for me and they put all the lines for my hair. Okay guys, so now I'm fully prepared for the surgery, and as a pilot I could say this place looks like a spaceship. It's a very technology place and I'm really excited for my new transformation with my hair. I hope it works really nice. Thank you, see you. So hello guys, as you see, today is my second day and we'll learn more about how the wash it is and all the instructions I have to do for the next days. My name is Diego, I'm from Brazil, I live in UK. I'm a pilot and I came to Istanbul in Turkey for Vera Clinic to do my hair transplant. So the operation yesterday, day one, it was very special because I said I wasn't home despite of the procedure, and then they start the procedure with the extraction and then they do all the procedures to put the grafts on the right place. Well, based on my experience as a pilot and my experience now here with Vera Clinic, I should compare these as a flight cruise level, where everything is smooth, no turbulence, no problems at all. One of the most easiest phase of the flight. It was my second day, we did the wash, all the procedure, and everybody treated me so well. So as a pilot, we are used to do some speeches for the passengers, and I would say, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vera Clinic. I should say the weather here is really nice, the environment as well, the people are really nice. They will take care about you during all your flight or all during your hair transplant with them. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the place, enjoy the rest of your hair transplant and all the support they will give you. So I really recommend the Vera Clinic for you. You feel very good. You can see how the guys here and all the employees, they are so professional. And I recommend you to come here and become your dreams too.